Hello, I'm Rena Thanasiadis, and I teach corporate finance to undergraduate and graduate students attending university. I also teach the subject to students who are studying to write the Chartered Financial Analyst exams offered by the CFA Institute worldwide. You're about to participate in an online comprehensive lesson that covers the principles corporations use in making financial decisions. Now, when I first introduce the general idea of finance, students have no problem understanding how the concept can apply to individuals. They know that people earn money, spend it, and invest it. If people don't have enough money or require a bigger amount to make an investment, then they borrow it in order to have that money. When the question arises as to what is corporate finance, the issues at hand are not that much different. Corporate finance is about financial decisions made by companies. This lesson is about what decisions are made by corporations and why they are important. Corporations face two broad financial questions. What investments should a firm make and how to pay for those investments? The first question involves spending money. The second one involves raising it. Just like ordinary people, companies make, raise, spend, and invest money. And what is also true is that both individuals and corporations have a similar goal when they go about their business. That is, to increase the overall net worth or financial value. What makes corporate finance a fascinating subject to study is that the very same things that happen to the general population can also happen to a company. People sometimes spend too much and find themselves in a deficit, or they can invest in a stock that drops greatly in value. Companies can also make good or bad financial decisions, leading them to making supernormal profits or declaring bankruptcy. The secret of success in financial management is to increase value. That is a simple statement, but not very helpful in allowing us to achieve it. The problem is how to do it. And that is what we will look at during this lesson. We cover three key areas that affect a business. How do they make sure they have enough money or working capital to run their day-to-day operations? How do they make sure that they invest in projects or assets that will grow the overall firm or create value for the owners of the firm? And finally, how should a company govern itself so that it functions in a way that diminishes the risk of unethical or unscrupulous behavior by its employees and its management? While there are many other areas in corporate finance that one can study, this lesson is a great way to begin understanding how and why companies earn, spend, and invest their capital. So let's get started.